Okay, so we're gonna do a 30-degree angle. That's my best attempt, and then we'll show you all the parameters afterwards. So Angus, you can tell me if I'm off here. I'm trying to line it up this way. Is that about right? You can push it wherever you need to go. Got it? Okay, I'm on. Whoops.
Our origin's off just a little bit.
It's not perfect. That's fine. Ready?
Yeah.
1. You got a couple of trials there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Okay.
Can you hang that back on there? So
Oh yeah.
the radius.
Sorry, my bad. Okay, you get that while I get the. Ready?
Yeah.
Times. The time it's in the gate there. Then let's get a couple of these. Where's my little XY thingy? Here it is. So I'm going to just try and get you. It looks like that's pretty good for those top 4. So let's just call that good. Remember, in this graph, the horizontal axis is time. The vertical axis is force in newtons. Ready? Let's do the bottom ones. That one actually turned out pretty nice. The smaller angles seem to work better, huh? So this is good for the first 2. Ready? Yep. Let's go over and get those next 2 and call that good. That's pretty good for the next 2. Got it?
Yep.
And then notice, let's just go over here and look at the end. Definitely see a trend. See that? Let's check if that trend is mirrored on the top. Not as obvious, is it? So, okay. So I think we got all the numbers, right? Distances and
Angle.
forces and times. Okay, sounds good.